It is moving day and things are crazy. I'm just gonna kind of film a little bit. I wanted to do a little bit of a moving vlog and just kind of show you my house empty and then moving into the new house. So the movers just got here and we're gonna start loading up. So I've kind of just like labeled everything that I'm gonna be moving, whatever isn't gonna be moved, because the new buyers are going to be buying and everything is pretty much cleared up. I just have to get like all this stuff off the counter out, and then there's some stuff upstairs. So I'm gonna get moving and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. I am downstairs in the basement. We have it all cleared out. It's pretty crazy. It's starting to hit me that we're moving, and I'm feeling a little bit sad and just kind of remembering when we first moved in. So everything is completely emptied out down here. So now I'm gonna head over to the new house and drop off a car full of stuff. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. We are at the new house. The movers just left and we have so much stuff in the garage. It's just all stacked up for now, but we're gonna get moving on it. Muscle for hire right here, this guy.
Exhausted.
We got a lot of stuff to unpack, so I'm gonna get to it and I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. What do you got, Jade? You're in your mini outfit? So it is the second day that we're in. And you have a surprise for me? What do you have? What is it?
Close your eyes.
They're closed.
Close your eyes.
They're closed.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
Ta-da!
Ooh, a mug. Thank you.
This is it.
So I'm gonna start working on getting everything in the kitchen, and then upstairs in the closets. We have a lot to do today. And in the back, they are working on putting in the fence so that we'll be able to let the dogs run out there and kind of have a little bit of a yard. So I'm gonna get moving on vacuuming, and we gotta put this table together.